Hi, Forex for Beginners family. My name is Shannon, and I recently found the Forex for Beginners group after joining a network marketing group that does a done for you trading program. And I wanted to learn how to do Forex myself. And so just kind of put out the vibes that I was looking for something, that I was ready to change my life. And I found this group. And so I had originally joined this group to meet other members, and then I decided that I would go ahead and take the course. And after taking the course for the first couple lessons, I realized I found something that was really amazing. Syed has put together a program that is top notch, very easy to learn. The learning how to read the charts. I did have a basic understanding many years ago. I took a class, but never followed through with it. I'm a firm believer that when the student is ready to learn, the teacher will appear. And Forex has been in my universe on and off for about 15 years, but I never realized that Forex meant foreign exchange until this year. And so once I realized that, then it was a much more aha. I just had never taken the time to really learn Forex, or even what it was, and that it was, that it's a worldwide stock market essentially. So started, going through the course, learning to read the charts, the Fibonacci retracements, which are really cool. I like those. The trend lines, looking for patterns. The guides that Saeed gives us are phenomenal. I've printed everything out and put them on a board in front of my computer so that I'm always looking at them. And I've also favorited them. Just lots and lots of really good stuff. So I'm really excited that I can now really read charts in a much better, more educated way. Today's the day that I actually will get to start doing trades. I've done some little trades here and there and have found some success, but one of the things that I've noticed about this program is that Saeed really wants to remove the barriers that greed and the fear of lack can come into the mindset. And I really appreciate that because I meditate every day. And so I am always thinking about my energy and what I'm attracting to me and what I'm trying to repel from me. And I am the kind of person that fears a stop loss, or things of that nature. So the 50 trade challenge to me is like a godsend because you're going to condition me to not be fearful of the trade and to trust my instincts. And I'm doing this before I'm actually trading any money at all. And so I really appreciate that. I'm not sure how long these videos should be, but I'm kind of gushing. I really just appreciate the level of work that went into a program that is offered for free. Nobody does that. I've been in marketing since 2005, so nobody does that. And being on his page and putting together this testimonial, I want to help Saeed reach 1 million people by 2023 too. Like I want to promote this. Just let me know if that's a good thing for me to do, because I think that the more people realize and take responsibility and ownership for their financial situations, the better the world will be. And I'm 50 years old. So if I could learn a new skill, and this is actually the third new skill I've learned in the last year and a half, anybody can do it. So I'll keep you posted on my trades and how they work. I'll keep working on my charts and perfecting the markups. But I'm just really excited to have made it this far. I'm eager, I'm hungry, and I have some goals that I want to teach my family to do this. Let's build some generational wealth. Let's get people out of poverty. Let's help others because this is amazing. So thank you, Saeed, for, showing up when I needed the teacher. So I'm really grateful to this program.